Wooden functional art, the perfect blend of beauty and utility. Wooden functional art is where craftsmanship meets purpose, transforming everyday objects into artistic masterpieces. Unlike mass-produced furniture or decor, functional wooden art pieces are carefully designed to serve a practical purpose while also making a strong visual impact. These creations blur the line between sculpture and usability, proving that functionality doesn't have to sacrifice artistic expression. From intricately carved furniture to stunning wooden lighting fixtures, functional wooden art brings warmth, creativity, and sophistication to any space. The philosophy behind wooden functional art. The concept of functional art is rooted in the idea that art should not only be admired, but also used. Every piece tells a story, reflecting the natural beauty of wood while showcasing the skill of the artisan. Whether it's a handcrafted wooden chair that feels like a sculptural masterpiece or a coffee table that doubles as a work of art, these creations elevate daily living by infusing art into functionality. Unlike traditional artwork that remains stationary on walls or pedestals, functional wooden art becomes part of everyday life. You can sit on it, store things in it, dine on it, or light up a room with it. This balance between utility and aesthetics makes wooden functional art a sought-after addition to both rustic and modern interiors. Handcrafted wooden furniture, the heart of functional art. Perhaps the most well-known form of wooden functional art is handcrafted furniture. These pieces are not just seating or storage solutions. They are an expression of creativity, craftsmanship, and timeless design. A simple wooden bench can be transformed into an elegant sculptural form with smooth curves and flowing lines. A dining table can become a centerpiece of conversation, featuring a live-edge slab with resin inlays that mimic flowing rivers or glowing galaxies. Even a bookshelf can be more than just storage. It can be a piece of dynamic architecture, designed with asymmetric shelves and geometric patterns that make it a striking focal point in a room. What makes handcrafted furniture truly special is the artisan's touch. Each cut, curve, and joint is intentionally crafted to ensure durability and aesthetic appeal. Many wooden furniture makers embrace natural imperfections such as knots, grain variations, and splits, allowing them to become part of the design rather than flaws to be hidden. This organic approach gives each piece a unique character that simply cannot be replicated by machines. Wooden lighting fixtures, illuminating art. Wooden lighting fixtures are a stunning example of functional art that combines form and function in a breathtaking way. Whether it's a sculptural pendant light, an intricately carved table lamp, or a wall-mounted wooden sconce, these lighting pieces add warmth and elegance to any space. Wood has a natural ability to diffuse light beautifully, creating a soft, ambient glow that enhances the atmosphere of a room. Many wooden lamps feature laser-cut designs or handcrafted patterns that allow light to filter through, casting mesmerizing shadows on walls and ceilings. Some designs incorporate LED strips embedded in carved wooden sculptures, creating a seamless blend of natural materials and modern technology. One particularly innovative approach is the use of bentwood techniques, where thin layers of wood are steamed and shaped into fluid organic forms. These sculptural lamps look like flowing waves, twisted ribbons, or tree branches, bringing nature-inspired elegance into modern interiors. Functional wall art, more than just decoration. Wall-mounted wooden art isn't just about aesthetics. It can also be highly functional. Many designers create wooden wall art pieces that double as storage, organization tools, or interactive elements. For example, wooden pegboard walls are a practical and stylish way to organize tools, kitchen utensils, or office supplies while maintaining an artistic look. Some wall art pieces feature foldable or hidden compartments, serving as both a display and a discrete storage solution. Others incorporate magnetic strips for holding knives, keys, or other essentials, combining minimalist design with everyday practicality. Additionally, some artists design wooden acoustic panels that serve as both soundproofing solutions and decorative art pieces. These panels absorb excess noise while adding a warm, natural texture to walls, making them perfect for home offices, music studios, or cozy living spaces. Live edge and resin fusion, the modern take on functional wooden art. Live edge furniture has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. By preserving the raw, organic edges of wood, these pieces maintain the tree's natural form while adding a modern touch. When combined with resin, live-edge tables, shelves, and countertops take on a mesmerizing appearance, with resin filling the natural gaps to create river-like patterns, cosmic designs, or even glow-in-the-dark effects. This fusion of wood and resin elevates traditional wooden furniture into the realm of contemporary art. Imagine a coffee table where deep blue resin mimics the ocean, complete with wave-like textures and realistic sea creatures encased within. Or a countertop where luminescent resin creates the effect of molten lava flowing through cracks in the wood. These pieces are not just functional, they are conversation starters, blending nature with cutting-edge design. Sculptural wooden seating, where comfort meets art. Seating is another area where wooden functional art shines. Traditional chairs and benches can be reimagined as sculptural elements that provide comfort while making a bold artistic statement. Some designs mimic the natural curves of the human body, ensuring ergonomic support while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. Others take inspiration from organic forms like tree roots, flowing water, or animal silhouettes, creating visually striking furniture that feels more like a piece of art than just a seat. Rocking chairs, stools, and lounge chairs made from carved wood or bentwood techniques further showcase how wood can be transformed into fluid, dynamic shapes. These pieces bring warmth and character to any interior, proving that seating can be both functional and sculptural. Interactive and transformable wooden art. One of the most exciting developments in wooden functional art is the rise of transformable and interactive designs. Some wooden tables expand or contract with hidden mechanisms, allowing them to adapt to different spaces and needs. Others feature modular components that can be rearranged to serve different functions, such as a wooden shelf that transforms into a desk or a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit. Kinetic wooden sculptures also fall under the category of functional art. These moving pieces react to touch, wind, or mechanical inputs, creating an engaging experience. Some artists craft intricate wooden clocks with exposed gears, while others design furniture with shifting patterns or rotating elements that change the overall aesthetic with a simple motion. Wooden functional art holds a timeless appeal that goes beyond passing trends. Unlike synthetic materials that degrade over time, wood only grows more beautiful, developing a rich patina that adds character and depth. Each handcrafted piece is built with care, ensuring not just visual beauty, but also lasting durability. These are not just objects for temporary use. They are designed to be cherished, enjoyed, and even passed down through generations. But beyond durability, wooden functional art offers something more, a deep connection to nature. The warmth of natural wood, the intricate grain patterns, and the organic textures bring a sense of tranquility to any space. Whether it's a sculptural chair that invites relaxation, an illuminated wooden artwork that transforms a room's ambience, or a handcrafted storage piece that blends form with function, wooden art seamlessly enhances everyday life. It creates a balance between aesthetics and usability, proving that practical objects can also be beautiful works of art. Conclusion: living with art in everyday life. Wooden functional art is a true celebration of creativity, craftsmanship, and purpose. It reminds us that the objects we use every day don't have to be purely functional. They can also be extraordinary. From furniture with artistic sculptural elements to kinetic wooden sculptures that invite interaction, these pieces turn ordinary spaces into unique expressions of style and personality. By choosing wooden functional art, we surround ourselves with meaningful objects that tell stories, reflect our tastes, and bring warmth to our living spaces. These pieces remind us that art isn't just something to admire from a distance. It's something we can interact with, use, and appreciate every day. Whether in a cozy home, a sleek modern office, or a grand interior, wooden functional art continues to redefine design, proving that beauty and practicality can exist in perfect harmony.